What's good everybody? Is your boy David again and I'm back with another video. So finally, dito na tayo kay Carmel Collado na medley performance. So again, nag-react na ako sa kay Arvery tsaka kay Isay. Round 1 and medley performances nila. So check it out on my recent uploads. So the moment has come na kay Carmel na tayo na medley performance. So siya yung huli kong ire-react. It's because kasi siya yung naging grand finals. But gusto ko lang na panoorin niyo yung mga reaction ko sa dalawa pa nating pumasok sa top 3, si Isay and Arvery. They also did amazing performances. So kaya pumunta kayo doon, okay? So follow niyo din ako sa Facebook, Instagram and sa TikTok. Okay? So with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. So this is Carmel Collado's medley performance. So ang score niya sa final is 98%. Grabe, no? Let's go.
Looking out on the morning rain. Used to feel so uninspired. When I knew I had to face another day. Lord, it made me feel so tired.
Okay, ito na masasabi ko. If napanood niyo yung reaction ko kay Isay, no, talagang nawaw ako, kay Arvery nawaw. Pero si Carmel kasi, iba yung charisma niya, iba yung stage presence ni Carmel. Meron siyang talagang may conviction, meron talagang may tindig siya. Yung di ko ma-explain eh. Pero alam mong she's in authority kapag nasa stage siya, no? Talagang all of you guys look at me. I'm going to perform and I'm going to give you an amazing performance. Ganun yung tindig ni Carmel eh.
For the day I met you, life was so unkind. So the key to my peace of mind. You make me feel.
Woo! Effortless. Very sassy. Woo. Woo! Grabe. Nakita nyo yung ni Carmel? Very effortless. Imagine hitting that note na talagang naka ganun lang. Wah, ganun lang, no? Nothing really extra. Grabe. Woo! Uy, nag-ads tuloy. Wait lang talaga. Wait lang. Skip na natin to, man. Sorry. Woo! Ne. Grabe. Grabe din. Okay, iba sila ng expression ni Isay in terms sa kanilang confidence, no? Isay also was oozing with confidence, and I've also said this better days and one moment in time na performance ni Carmel na she's also oozing with confidence na wala talagang walang kaba, no? Walang kaba. Iba yung expression nila, iba yung body language, iba yung pagka-express nila sa kanilang confidence. Si Isay is more like, talagang energetic si Isay sa stage. Okay, ganun yung the way niya ipaalam sa atin na she's confident. Ito naman si Carmel, very classy, ganun. Elegant, no? May pagka Madam. Madam. Woo! Ang taas naman. Ang taas naman nun. Adlib pa lang yun, ha. Mukha ni Yeng, oh. Uy. Yodeling. Yodelay. Mga ganon. Grabe. Galing din mag-project. Wow! Nice. Parang nagko-concert eh. Grabe yung confidence. Woo! Ame. What? Pang mic drop na yon, na ano. Na moment. Pero meron pang isang kanta to. Woo! Ibang klase. Bagay sa kanya yung mga country na mga black music, yung mga gospel country, ganon. Bagay sa kanya. Very elegant yung boses niya. Like, elegant talaga. Class. Grabe. Effortless. Grabe. Kaya pala nag-champion. What? Bro, eto, Carmel is too good. She's too good. Grabe, ang galing niya. Like, she's too good. Panoorin niyo yung reaction ko kay Isay. No, reaction ko kay Isay sa medley performance niya. May sinabi ako doon. Panoorin niyo. Yes, panoorin niyo. Basta panoorin niyo kung hindi niyo nakita. And balik kayo dito. Man, she's too good. Magkaiba talaga sila ni Isay. Like, both of them are really incredible singers. But Carmel is on a different level. Vocally. Si Isay, magaling. Like, how should I put this, no? Into words na I'm super impressed with Isay. Like, sabi ko dun, basta, panoorin nyo, may sinabi ako dun. And no wonder na dikit yung scores. Okay? Dikit yung scores nila. 97.7 kay Isay, 98 sa kanya. Pero, this performance definitely was the moment of truth. No? It was very clear who should won. No, who should won. Doon kay Isay kasi, ang galing nung arrangement eh. Ang galing nung arrangement nung banda kay Isay. Kaya nakaka-hype talaga yung performance niya. Talaga, may sinabi talaga ako doon, no? Pero ito kay Carmel, it was talagang vocals talaga. Nangibabaw yung vocals si Carmel. And she did that effortlessly. Okay? Nakita niyo yung mukha ni Carmel every time she belt high notes. Nakita niyo, very relaxed, very composed, very established yung pagbelt niya. Like napaka proper, no? Yung tindig from chest voice to mix, ibang klase. Ibang klase si Carmel. Like, she's on a different level, no? She has her own league. Parang sa medley performance, you can really see the difference in vocal presentation, no? How they presented their vocals. Amazing Carmel, man. Congratulations. Wala akong masabi, wala akong maisip. It's just a wow. Like, wow. Super wow. Super duper wow. Gabi. Good job, man. Good job. So yeah. That's it. And hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you. And don't forget, if bago kayo dito, mag-subscribe kayo and follow me on Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. Okay? Bye!